Hey, this is Mr. Barre, and before I get started here, I just want to say why I'm making these videos. I want to let you know that Haley Garber is doing these lessons faster than I can make videos. So, woo! Way to go, Haley. Okay. Everybody else, you want your name mentioned on the video? Better get to it. Here we go. We're going to talk about solving equations, two-step linear equations. So these problems are going to take 2 steps to solve them. Once again, remember equations it's all about keeping things in balance. If I add a block to this side, I have to add a block to that side. If I take a block away, I have to take a block away. If I add an x, I have to add an x. Whatever I do, I have to keep that teeter-totter or that scale in balance. All right. So a couple of ideas. 1, sneak up on the variable. Don't jump right at the variable. Start with the numbers around the variable first. We're almost always going to do it in 2 steps. We have these first ideas here. First, I'm going to think, do I need to add or subtract? Remember, addition fights subtraction, and subtraction fights addition. We're also going to remember that division fights multiplication, and multiplication fights division. This is almost always going to be our first fight. Is this add or subtract? And over here, it's going to be a multiplication or division. So let's see if we can make this happen. Here we go. Sneak up on the variable. Very, very sneaky. I have 1 equals 10 minus 3p. Who is bugging the p? Well, I have 3 bugging it and 10 bugging it. But who should I deal with first? I'm telling you to sneak up on the variable. Don't go directly for that 3. Start with the 10. Start farther away from the variable. Okay, well, what is the 10 doing? Well, he's a positive 10. So I'm going to fight a positive or an adding 10 with a subtracting 10 or a negative 10. I'm going to fight this 10. What I'm going to do, imagine there are 10 pounds on this side of the teeter-totter. I'm going to take 10 pounds off the teeter-totter. 10 pounds off the teeter-totter. That's going to give me 9 pounds over here. And I'll be left with negative 3p over here. And now it's turned into a 1-step equation. Who's bugging the p? Negative 3. Divide both sides by negative 3. 9 divided by negative 3 is positive 3. There you go. So notice I started by subtracting from both sides, and then I divided both sides. And it's most always going to be that way. An addition subtraction step and then a division or multiplication step. Okay, we have s over 3 I have a variable of s. 3 and 5 are both over there with the s. Who do I deal with first? Sneak up on the s. Don't go for that 3. Go for the 5. The 5 is trying to add. Well, let's take 5 away. I'm taking 5 off of both sides of my teeter-totter. And now I have s over 3 equals negative 5. And now it's a 1-step equation. How do I fight that 3? That 3 is trying to divide? Well, I fight division with multiplication. So I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by 3. S equals negative 15. And this works. I can check it. Negative 15. See that? That's really a negative 15, isn't it? Negative 15 divided by 3 is, oh my goodness. Where did I mess it up? I messed it up. This is why I checked it. Okay, one and done. Remember, where's my error? Can you find my error? Can you find it? Can you find it? It's right here. Negative 12. Wow. Hey parents, you watching this? Yes, I am educating your children. Okay, wish I could subtract. Let's see if it works. At least I checked it and I caught my error. Okay, so what's negative 12 divided by 3? Where am I getting a negative from? This is a positive. Oh my goodness. Positive 12, positive 12. Positive 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. Check your work, man. Dude, Mr. Barre, go home. Okay, I still have 2 more problems to do. Did I get the other one right? I did, okay. Let's try this again. Where's this problem? R. 4 equals R divided by 4 minus 1. 4 equals R divided by 4 minus 1. I'm going to deal with this one first. I'm going to add 1 pound to both sides of my teeter-totter. These guys are gone. I bring it down. 5 equals R over 4. I'm at a one-step equation. What I'm going to do? Multiply both sides by 4. 20 equals R, or R equals 20. And now I'm going to test it because I'm not very confident right now. I'm going to come back here to my original equation. That's really a 20. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. It worked. And our last one, solve for J. J over 9 minus 38 equals negative 32. Sneaking up on the variable. Start right here with the 38. That 38 is trying to subtract, so I'm going to fight him with a positive 38 and adding 38, so plus 38. That brings me to J over 9 equals 38 minus 32 is 6. How do I fight that dividing 9? I fight the dividing 9 with a multiplying 9, so here's my multiplication. Cancel. J equals 54. And that is it! Thanks for watching. Sorry for all those errors. You know, if I didn't make all those errors, the video would have taken like 6 minutes. Okay, that's it. Bye.